Are you shocked by the ongoing struggle of our war veterans? In Zimbabwe, Zanu PF MP Joseph Mapiki has sounded the alarm. He insists that war veterans deserve shares in the lucrative lithium and coal mining sectors, as well as access to plots and conservancies. Mapiki argues that the current compensation for these veterans is far from adequate. Despite years of promises and pledges, many of these heroes still find themselves struggling to secure the benefits they've been promised. The call for mining shares isn't just about money. It's a push for dignity, recognition, and a stable future for those who fought for the nation. As Zimbabwe's mining industry booms, the question remains: will the veterans who sacrificed so much finally receive their fair share? Stay tuned as this story develops. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any updates from Zim News Live, YTS.